Right. Yeah, no. No, this is the more fast for mobile. Timmy Bow mobile. William said, life here. I would cheer for the 2 women, 2 women, 2 women, 2 women. No, the no young woman would drama would take the American.
Oh, fast for mobile, you do. No much from you to do. Bombe do my hair, my dress, not it is some money, me pay. Yeah. There's a penny be a first as a market doing as a market day. I'm done being at this abroachment. But it is the more can be for me.
Oh, I know the money how a mobile model be a beba. Why, Miss Ross will be young marble tray. A moment and go fast for dear. May inform with the agro. So I could once say, Dana Wallen. What can I say? What wish you pay any two for say? Oh, ware, Bema, what were in the bushy, you know. Notice, and Tisana was said more fast for while said in the TV and Sana was also. What in the can? They say, ain't you be a chunk one bit me to Ghana. So now, but trainer, so okay. It's on more fast for young pa. What come more? We didn't go from up. Boy, what may cook with you, Bob. Why?
Enti sani na me kusoni mu kasa sana me to aso hwe ebra mi shati se wo na mi stati se bu kakra ni se fitin ya no du se yo me nyesi kani die na enso so no kakra me nsa so na esum nyina mo so no ekura me na busa se eyeden ne be kura me me stati vous kakra mi swan mi se vous kakra si kan ketingiti na mbifu to won ma de sei matimi de sifie wi ya me di ahwe mu school ama de se mu nyina mo komani mi dim se enche eyede ya abaye duman mbenya biaye mu yenya bi yese kim eno anu matwe nsa Kime ma wo se bia munyini na momra mehwami o nemo no me wo mo se me bua mo makomanim na se mokomanim na se motime ho amaye free ti enkomo ande me frem betina se me ni mudi ni nyina na pese me disi yana no
pa de kan Asada odia. Na any give because yeah, papa be an best friend in mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Because today not the first time I was starting like good year for the year. So make us say stuff. Amen. If so was I and papa. You get anything. It's bon paese ni wa me ya mamentem. Because we go to me ni kakaka.
Yes, sir.
Bon paese ni wa me pequeno mamentem leja. O besa me show ba me show.
Say ya be bu.
So
ya be bu na mi bu.
There we see. So come here with the was like
oh the mama me da say. Say the what me no me de me ho tu nyame so ntem. Nti ya me ni Bible me hwe Bible hu say David eche ne matna ho tuo mofo. Solomon eche ne matna ho tuo mofo. Nti wota me so me yebi. Sanity.
I am many day because they had we call the universities. Only I'm been a pay ma ne. You to me some baby. Me have come to it at chunk of it, Master John.
It will move. Yes, sir.
Maybe go for be sakes in me really bow.
I know, dear.
More business and money.
Aha! How are you? The wasn't blameless, them country or them found.
Maybe I careful, may not be answered, but may you careful.
And I, boy, I could be a Nigerian, me catch us on the same found.
They came in, David.
And when coming out to Nashemi. Why? Only a baby, one entrance here, a good young baby, I'm with you.
Next means I am in time.
Why?
I don't know, Cassandra. You
Nanu Gazide.
A chan, would you black man?
Obasa, wow, and a chan. Nobody say,
Yana, what I remember, but you may not drink the other remember it. It wasn't terrible. We are from Papa, so that the other may say. Say what? And when Tia, only a Bema da. It is a Bema, and a young body carbon. Now, Bema and some nation, who don't buy. Film and ye Bema free. What?
Papa, never was meaning none of my bride. What can it is? What she has to ask them to your failure. Yes, you feel so good.
Me that's it. A man, young my son, thing. Name a war about what you have to me, dear. And you say, dear, Bema, no so. I get to me. Now, the person can't be cut one say. One said, if you do on a swan, no man, you don't feel the bosom. No moody. Name say, a so prayer, then no money you know to call. She said, will be a mono. Show me, why, now my money be another for 1 year over foul. No one name no one worry about our hand. Why? It's actual Musi Catasso, and you see a Catasian Catasso see. Why? Now when you kunupa, what dear man? They say, we won't fair. We won't fair. A man will be able to try for Belubi. Now, crack. Not at 1 o'clock, never 4 o'clock, and one will never come. What did they make us on? When you have Japan, the moon is there when you have so the couple been a young year. Hey, I'm one of my having
Yes. I'm going to do a show. See, actually say, I'm about to I had to say, I had no about Ghana had here. Mumma now. Mamma or pretty said, you know, what would you are? Umame, a friend said, Muhammad, Mumra, the Sram. Aha, media me will feel the air, Michelle Sui. Namupia on Trinidad, no way I'm bad there. Literally, a much.
Hello, everyone.
Hey, you see? Yeah, but there's some passing with the children. When they change some phone, some phone,
you know, my uncle
is
you know.
One day I must have from my Mrs.
Uncle, relax. Oh, relax.
See the way he
to come to Ghana. Oh, the way he is behaving. You can do this in America. I'm going to call the police. I'm going to call the police on you.
I see. Police. I had police. I'm gonna have you. Keep quiet. Say my baby.
Guys, calm down.
Police in here, never.
Oh, boy. Uncle, I want to go back to the States.
Go back. And I'm from man. No me do.
Uncle, Nyantu was Mr. Nixon or ye. What I say? Or influencer or blogger manager and vlog no ye. You
go back to the States. I was thinking, look at me. The weather is too hot for me. Oh my God.
wo free e ko na usua na wo ko ye wa ba ye wo haya ye wo Ghana haya ye wo ko ye kakra na wo tena ho na wo se be ye wo gaga ayi wa ha.
Uncle, sorry. We're in the middle of a conversation. You should have started live streaming.
This is totally shit and nonsense. Yeah.
At least
what? Look, just take a look at me. The way I'm sweating.
You're all sweating.
You don't even have aircon here. And you want me to stay in this fire?
We are already here. We need to manage. Okay? You need to calm down. And that uncle, Mitchell, you have to pass my I don't know what's this? Why?
Nametia de oye.
You need to
go kasa haya ya na. Ghana ha de yes ade no. Wo di panyini kasa wo na ojira na we. Satru den de me ha de ensi no.
Uncle, please, one last thing. That room that we sleep in is too small. We want to break bread so we can sleep on it. That one is too small.
I said, Jason, when I open, we have to try again. The dinner chia one here, maybe you shall have.
Hey, don't do that. Police will show. Why?
Hey, Ghana
can arrest still long time.
And I have to have which you hope. It's Ghana had a tia.
Then you should calm down. Let me say what you say.
Jessica, me chem rooms, me chem ba. Be abeda meal monam. What dey make? Be abeda meal.
Yeah, sure want to so okay.
Uncle, the room is too small and hot, so we can both share the other one.
I don't know what some of these are. Musku na mo kwa ene na
nko room nisa onji watemanko.
Look at something. Is it what I'm trying? It's nice.
You know, for now the better. What there? It's an unfortunate room na kwa makoda. What again? Mumbi en beda, no problem.
Hey, Sarah. Hey, Amanda. Wow, what do you think? Come on, where are you?
Well, who crowd if you crow at any of our just in a way chew and new dressing.
Yeah, Judge, I don't know. Life for this. Make what Jones of her or something like that. What the other
for dressing, Crampo, send near market. Wow. I dear man Bahan. What is our now for now?
Over in Abeland.
Who patches won't say?
She.
Hey, and dear, as the dear see. You cram me up on to see Cramate.
Oh, yeah, they who
Umbeland, a cobber busmin.
Huh? Bosume.
Yes.
And I mean, no more dear grow. And cry blame any. No man now acquaint to Mukolomba, commercial.
Hey, Miss Crammy Abon to see me cramming outside. Martin, now anyone wants say.
Okay, so Monoco or more red than no, a fresh moment on Bagana or Munim. See a new environment, new friends, and other.
And the minimum. I don't know.
Now, more coy now or more red than no. I saw my camera and see. On by a winning me, it's a reaction.
Say, we are Ben Esho.
Nevianshim. What a shame.
What shall we name show dressing? We are Ben Esho.
It's the reaction. It's on by a 1 year sana. So my effect.
I know the Amoya from me.
It's a mint now. A brand to me of Ghana. Nice a minimum basana.
I mean, cancer.
It's a reaction. I was on your understanding. It's a reaction.
Obia, we are sure. But anyone will say, what's the one to sell on my land?
Maintain young Casamentis or Maba. And on one part, the rams minimum would think or my buy was saying, come bear him with fee. Many sure so Maba.
Me. It makes me actually won't throw.
But maybe patch of it, or mobile at least, me no one and never. And then I'm yard more coin. I was a mobile there. Mobile shame say, oh. I said, Missy, say, why I don't say, well, I see I'm going to hear, but next my back.
Some pass my papa, month my man. Okay. Oh, yes, hey, be your mamma every day. You can only do what's on by past 1 month? No, come on. Well, we have your thing. This is what I said. We are here inside the cage. Wow, it's a dear man.
In the golden sand, laugh through nights holding hands. 1,000 stars lit up the sky.
It's not bad. And Amanda, Abontisuni, and the baby full on the bottom of some about and got me. A young way and a no.
No, you know this weather. Why are we in this heat? Everywhere is hot. Why? It's not. Yeah, the PSA no. Not yeah. To me, that's why we are always indoors. At least inside all the AC okay. So that's why I need to be at.
Yeah, sure. Some more tonight, there might be somewhere.
Oh yeah.
So much. But I was like, please, bruh.
I was saying, me laptop saying me what all the time.
The table is wrong.
Table the because my table is in my head.
At that so table is wrong.
Table the ko table all also.
Table is the more than that so.
I have to say me.
Now I'm fine.
But now I'm not in your mouth.
How did that so? One kind me brother Koboa.
Come on, where oh wow, this is good. This is good. Wow. Oh, also I feel like this is what you're looking for.
To come from a blind. That's a quiddy brutal.
Oh, say no I from
no the IF. No the IF.
Yeah, for the banana. Wow, Koboa.
Right.
Hey, hi.
Hold
on. Oh, hi. How are you? Oh, no.
One guy, Isabella. Young Kula blame. Me now before Nana knows
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, a big girl.
Yeah.
Why come up? Wow. I was about.
Was this also a call or watching?
Hey, yeah. Oh, why come up? You mean not that from no pursuit for Jason?
I'm very happy.
Maybe send you in the past, but also the car. Oh, you'll be an open super into only super. Who's that? You saw no a million.
Maybe I saw
yes, I mean, not sound. Come on.
I inherited it from my father.
There. Father, and I said, oh, father, no, Yammy. I mean, I own this.
What's the what mean?
Oh,
what can you say? Oh, no, that's what count the other tonight.
Oh, the 7 days, 7.
Oh, make high. This is Sana.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. So how kind is so I remember. Now I remember some name Christian Bao. No, in Seattle. So Virgin Mojari. So Ferno. Oh, yeah, no. No, wow. On a small boy, which you But no coming baby. No need na compound so driving so when the swans no on person even who no jam koi.
Oh, but why come up pa? Oh, from she. There we need oh, come on.
That is it.
I like to say that. They will need to. Oh wow, we are the same for. All right, and the may have a cosmo home and so. We said, "Oh, because only I'm in call."
Oh, you see that? I did come on.
I can't. I did.
Hey, come on.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, Isabel, I did. Remember, Phil, no, you're free. It's all going. Yeah, in there. But all your never the master in the hall. Thank God. My girlfriend in the laptop. Also, one in the phone each other. Yeah, just still video. I say, but good, sir. I mean, or still single to now. I find that one. Yeah.
Chelsea, you know, it is high time we go back to the States, cause I can't stand the word.
Listen, you need to size your mind, because as far as I know, the last time we called Mom, she said that we are going to spend like 5 months here.
5
months?
Me bet na Ghana 5 months.
Oh, bet na Ghana 5 months. You better start speaking proper Tree, because oh, bet na Hache.
I'm not gonna speak that.
That what? That's a native language.
You know what?
You have to go back. You have to go back. You already know that you were the reason why you came here.
So now you're trying to blame me?
No, I'm not trying to blame you.
You know what? I think you are not the right person to talk to, so I have to go back.
Oh, In the morning, I went to Sarah's place, and guess what happened? Are you listening? Okay, fine, let me see. So, as we were sitting there discussing, there was this cute dude B. I got you.
It's not
I
like,
got you.
No, it's not like.
Immediately I mentioned a dude. I knew that.
No, I'm just paying attention to you just because I don't want you to waste your energy.
Okay. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So, I went to her the morning. So whilst we were having a conversation, there was this guy who came in. You won't believe how this guy was handsome. I didn't say handsome. So you know that some guys, we refer to them as beautiful.
Sure.
Yeah, this dude is in a category of those beautiful guys. I
know sometimes you exaggerate.
I'm not exaggerating, sis. I'm not exaggerating. You should have been there to witness it yourself. And so I asked her, wow, babes, who is this guy? Before he introduced him to me as a brother. Yeah.
You know what? A check akra me kostra sewa. So me person yambo cha me kostra sewa kakra.
Person yambo cha kostra sewa kakra.
Yeah, it's been long I went to a place.
I quite remember, say, me koko anopa. I asked you, babes, let's go. Oh, say, I won't go. I don't want to go anywhere. I mean, person, me ko
baby. When you say me, area no, shimmy skin na me ye dark. So I don't want to go there in the afternoon. So at least I can go in the morning or in the evening.
But because I talked about a guy.
Oh God. You are too little to understand certain things. Me man crab bring my Adam for me koni fi me kosrano.
Okay.
Bonnie Bena a woman.
Bonnie, you can go there. At least just to witness yourself.
What are you trying to talk? to say?
I know that
I'm not interested in Sarah's brother or anybody, any handsome or any beautiful guy.
Okay, fine.
I'm just going to pay her a visit.
Fine.
Moreover, I'm not ready to date any Ghana guy because you know I have a guy over there and I'm going back to the States.
I know, sis. You're just going there to pay her a visit. You are just going there to pay her a visit. Right?
You know what? You are just pissing me off. I think it is time for me to sleep. Remember, don't forget to pray for me because you know I don't care. I will never.
Let's pray together.
We grew up dancing in the golden sand, laughed through nights holding hands. 1,000 stars lit up the sky. But now 2 hearts caught in a tie. Back from the horizon, homeward bound. Saw his smile, my heart unwound. Charmed like fire, eyes of the sea.
Say, wow. Oh, you can see Papa.
Why you feel?
Oh, wow, you know, I kind of like the weather over there.
Ahana free ko ho.
Meaning say ahana me.
Nanti ahana free ko ye Ghana no nya ho no. Ma we Ghana you know that na how we done mama we.
O pesa odidi matem.
Me pesa me didi watem. Me pesa me didi watem.
Madam for me ba Ghana me ba on chain.
Me say uchi na o kan uchi na o kan ngede. Ahana free ko etikechi.
Okay, fine. I know you don't like the way I speak, but that's sweet, but I'll just manage and speak English.
And I'm saying English, ni na ye Ghanaian. What you say tikechi? So I'm going to make kechi na swaleko.
So it's just frustrating me, you know what? And my sister said she came here yesterday.
Arazuma make na mabuto so no. Me say so to make kechi ya swaleko.
Obefa me kasane sa.
Kechi me fasa.
Because me tui no me to me can't.
Also me tui.
Me ba on chair Jojo me sa atay.
Na say me Jojo. And no sister no coin. But 2 sister ni chi ni mu down. But once a person just show di.
No, my sister no oba abutre no oni Ghana for ne nanti me ni abrofo in a movie.
Okay. So ni omo kese pintia.
And my sister say oba have a straw
and oba ham.
See, listen, me bagana no me to me besrao, me basse me besrao.
So by ochro. You know, and me wa ha na me adom na akwanko. To buy us a ochro.
No, it's not like that. I just don't like the weather. You know, Ghana is too hot for me.
And to say
oh, very snuggle.
No, what's not here?
So you still live here alone or you are here with someone?
I never papa. And I'm a brother.
Your brother? So you have a brother?
Now the old sister no buy all kind of senate.
No, she didn't say anything like that to me.
Ah, you are never brother or I'm papa.
Hey, so where's your father?
Oh, papa, what you call me? Now we saw me papa, we saw me brother.
Hey, your brother. Yeah. You know, we were kids when we were just playing around and so why is he?
Oh, maybe I go inside.
He's inside.
I'm inside.
Really?
Yeah.
You know, it's been a very long time since I set my eyes on him. We were just kids playing around. So I just I just want to see whether he's grown now or he's still the same.
Two person brother with trust in me. Who person who my brother? Yes sir.
Not like that, but something like that.
Not like that, but something like that. And maybe I do inside. Maybe I'm number one.
Something like that.
Aish, but they are no deal. But they matter.
Auntie,
You know, since we came from the States, we've been looking around and there is no washing machine here. And you know, I can't also use my hands to push. So these are clothes. So just do justice to it for us.
It's not
yeah, me patra say me bag be free abuche me bag Ghana me she baby me washing machine. Me sa too pretty a besi nyoma ti ya fire nyoma ayefi bebrebe no e the bro say ubesi amaye.
It's me. I show you fair now. What is so? You sure? But there is some common conclusion on face.
Auntie, it's saying we can't do that. It's in their bro.
Share. Was it there?
No, state you use your bare hand. You use your washing machine. Or better still, take it to laundry. Why? No more wash it. Because I am making videos. What the most I am say you know. I bet it's in me passion. Be careful with that things, me passion.
Auntie, you know I'll be wearing this yellow dress to a party tonight. So
yeah,
I want you to do it quick so that at least I can iron. Hey, I can't iron. You iron for us and you hang them for us. Put them in our room. Okay.
No, I don't talk so well. I'm talking about French and I'm causing my mom to catch them. Sure.
Auntie, listen. Me babo call ma pa because me wafa ne yire enenu. Me babo call ma. Eh, you dey shout like how? You expect us to wash our clothes with our hand. What exactly are you doing in this house? What do? You don't work, you don't clean, you don't do anything in this house. And at the end of the day, my uncles give you money. So,
that money even comes from our parents. It's not even
we sponsor him. This is our house. If I like, I can sack you. I can throw your things away. But I'm just keeping you here because you're gonna do laundry and other stuff for me. You're gonna serve me. That is why you're still here. It's now warfare. I come up palm with the data. I don't want to waste my time on you because I have to go live on TikTok. So do that and bring peace.
Hey, what was it? No man blame you. And actually, my dear son. Now, bear me. We what you told me. I think you say, I'm quite a table, say Jimmy say. No, I'm going to fancy. Me go Google. I'm not going to come out to show.
But yeah, guys be.
Guys be.
Yes, I'm two naughty guys.
So, and it's every guy now your phone.
Really? Hey. Those guys.
So,
Your brother's friends. Hey, don't advise your brother not to work with them because they will pollute him. They are contagious. He can at least work with people like us.
Yeah. Classic.
Oh, we don't mind. You know, we just came in and we just want someone who will be taking us around. You know, it's been long.
You want any friends in the bay? Moment.
You don't know us.
When you chrome, we get more ideas.
Yeah.
You don't in Ghana, what do you know? Hey, Cree. Always I've been calling you Christy with my name just because I want you to get an English name. Hey, Bono.
Biggie.
You know what? I want you to give me the recipe because I can't remember. You were just like me. And look at you now.
Yeah.
I say you who
Front and back.
Why you can see? But me no one we are showing. My can see there. Me say you dey
up there, you can see what your best cereal.
It's your
so you can see. She's not working with good people because you don't have to gain weight over there. No. You have to be slim, portable, classy. You know,
but I'm not chubby, so I'm cool with this.
You know, our uncle, we have to go home. You know, my uncle, he likes talking a lot. So if we don't get going, he's gonna skin us alive. So okay, you gotta go. So just go and spend time.
The bad man.
See this man.
The bad.
Hey, go.
How far, bro?
Nah, they how far?
Oh,
and then this person,
see, I want to say we how quite
new level. Master, you're behind in Yabro. I want to ask him. And right, you to my who said 2 girls. Let's go now. So move that. No move that, and so the Indian said the idea. A couple of no more. See, but I said, I guess no moving for.
And it's not Mama Buffy.
It's not because of
the ladies.
Guy, as yesterday at the pass, I saw those 2 girls, those Americana, especially those girls where they chat the other said, what they are like. This thing depressed me. See, as they laugh that time. Wait, you go understand them very soon. Wait, you go understand them. Those 2 girls where we meet the other day, where they speak English.
Yeah, you know them.
You know the girls, those 2 ones. Why they say I like the other one where get big dash. You know the person. At the first talk like at the pass the other day. No beside they come your side at the pass. I saw the 2 girls. They enter your house. This place they enter.
And I ask you question. That's the reason why you can.
That's why we are here. We want to know who are those girls. Okay. What are they? Wait. So the question why they ask now no make sense for you.
I know, like I shock self. Why you asking that question? Because you know me already. I don't like ladies and those stuff. So why you asking that question?
Or you think we are joking here?
The ladies is my sister's friend. So.
Whoa! When you see somebody once is lying, you know. Aquaboy, you're lying. Guy, I don't trust you. Guy, forget that. I don't trust someone lying. That guy, this guy can lie. When you see the person where they lie, why you don't even trust me? You have to trust me. Okay, because you know me. I don't like you because sisters friends. So we can take the opportunity through the sister and get the girls. That one will make sense. Are you saying the truth?
Oh, Charlie. You don't have to ask me because you have to trust me. I'm not a bad boy.
Let's say if you are bad. See that girl?
Yeah.
See, I like that girl. So you dug me now?
Now.
Oh, my
the other one, the one where they sleep, you go.
Okay. That one. You see, from today going there.
You like?
I will show you where the power lies.
The one with Genyash. Your sister, they talk to them now. Listen with your sister. I like that guy. See, Akwabo, if you give me that girl, if you do this thing for me, guy, calm down now. Let me talk.
Actually, let you talk what? We all came here to ask for the girls, but you are now eliminating me.
and you sabotage me.
Wait, Akwago, wait. Guys, cool down now. Your blood they hot. Cool down now.
Maybe my brother they hot.
I hear you.
So, guys,
you guys are my brothers. But
I will give you the other one. You
go give me
the one where they sleep. You go collect that one.
So you have finished sharing.
And they say okay, they want me to me. Because we man about the end.
Yeah, Baba, yeah, the old back at Nigeria for say to me.
Why you guys?
We're waiting to worry you.
Why you guys like my like that?
You're permanent. Can go from punching.
Okay, fine.
Wait. I know say you they insult me.
I know they insult you. I say you for calm down.
Now the thing where they hungry me, now here they want. Guy, if you do this thing, if you help me, guy, I go buy you drink now. Drink now for nothing. No again.
You buy me drink.
I will give you drink.
So you are just eliminating me because of girls.
I know. Okay. You go give and that small one. The small one will not get your.
And then so over to me, go and do it then. Then you me I can cocaine.
Unyano, oh, Catasa, we are
to me a man of back, and then you go and.
So I tell you just go and go. Okofa.
Why you behave like?
Where behave you came to act, you just cross the line, go to the other side, talking, eliminate me.
You guys are my buddies. Yeah, brothers.
Boy, seriously.
Me, I don't like them. Because you know me already, I don't have like ladies.
You don't like them, I think.
Mama not there.
Then
you guys like them, yeah, so don't worry, I'll tell my best.
After the grade.
You're my best friend,
You see how far I look. After the grade.
Sometimes this guy network.
Okay.
Are they serious on this thing? You do this thing.
But don't worry, no.
You are very bad man.
Sam.
Boy, I just say.
So, Charlie, you have to go.
Sam. They say, you know song. They say black blueness, kusum busumu, kusum bra. You go and where you go,
Chef, Chrissy, the frame one, never. I could cheer from here, here, no, we are from a brother. No pen, you say.
Uncle, about vacations.
Ubari.
Vacation.
Woman, men over Pama, Casa. Some by was say. Mukura born is someone more yellow. Most of you are moving to the wind and young women. And we think about to wait. We think Christine was so ye are more afraid police. No for police, you have a child, no for police. It's in a number. Until the children flew by, move go to move. You see, I have no bobber. Why? Until one who go to a car.
You know what? That's not important to me because I know we shall be over. But the most important thing to me right now is I need money because I need to change my hair. Ever since I came, I've not been able to fix my nails. Yeah, I need to do that. Pedicures and also I'll be going on live this coming Sunday. So I need to get a curly makeup and also fix the front hair. So you're gonna take your phone, call my dad, tell him to send me money.
Yeah, you can't tell. They say, Moon Perky will be the money.
I'm gonna call the police on you or I'll kill you.
Me will be coming.
Yes.
Hey, no more. Yes,
I'm saying.
I don't know what's up. Me catch them. Me, Sana Bay, yeah, me don't go cook, Rubia, a walk of my friend, a small pint. Me go to Jama to walk.
What is bomb now? Oh my God. Uncle, let me tell you. You know, I'm too nice to be compared to that places. Okay? You can't compare me to those people. I look good and fix my nails. So you're gonna call my dad. I'm
Yeah, Mammy could be them. No
way.
Yes, sir. Maybe
we are not going anywhere. You rather go because this is our mother's house. My mom is feeling. Mommy or send this every opportunity or see if you will say.
Hey, and my wife getting your son. So, mommy feel. Oh, mommy feel.
How?
We chant. My mommy or send Uchantro, my mommy or Sadisika every day for you to build a house. Odi, so my mommy or Fama Baka. Me won't say, Odi, me mommy feeling church or guess and say, hey,
I said, no,
But uncle,
come to war. Evidence for.
Our mother clearly told us that this house belongs
said they are what Adam said. More back vacation said they are home. Sad didn't know the two to say they are mobile when you become. And tell what is
Chelsea, you know. Uncle,
yeah, what's for more plastic? No, what?
Oh God, my mental health. Ouch. Uncle, and Christy, I don't know, Chelsea. The room is still hot for me, and Uncle is also harassing my mental health. So I need to go out and take some fresh. So let's go. You know what? The best thing for you is just to give birth. Look at you, old man like you. You don't have a child.
Uncle. Uncle. No. Because also your one now. I feel so come and see me. It's hard time I'll be told more about it. Because say that right that home banter. Sometimes I say a hand no more choose so they won't come. Maybe Nancy Kakra not my mail. It's me. So I was a come and start working in shop. Otherwise, that's all theory. Maybe I could talk out from. Now I have my wife nephew because I never what is it?
Yeah, Mammy Cassie. Munti, my unitina, oh, mamma say, Mammy Yaka Yama.
Say,
Mammy Fucker Yam Farmer. He said, Musubaya, what a number of two got no one years in. A Munti, Miami, come and say, Yama,
no way. Now, mammy, no, the other say, oh, the
Mammy Cassie, aha. And your man, if you know what you have, no people, none of the actual, I'm going to say, I know my I told you, you will pay more fun and to your family, and yes, you will pay your more cut and she said, Uncle,
I have a soft copy. I will sell this house. Now with that toy that with that talker. Why?
Oh, but don't feel it, you have a talker. Eh, I'm playing glad with yes, I come to Cabo Cranky. Shall I tell you, I'm going to work crazy.
We grew up dancing in the golden sand, laughed through nights holding hands. 1,000 stars lit up the sky. But now two hearts caught in a tie.
You guys need it back. No, I'm back. If I need this thing, I'll go buy and won't create a drink. That one not my problem. My problem now, the thing we discussed day before yesterday. Alpha. Cool, your side. Which one be cool? My side. I say how far now?
Let me say how far. This time.
When you asked me how far, I said cool, your side.
And this time, this how far is not your life how far. It's about the girls, the ladies.
Thank you. They tell you how far, they tell me say
ladies, how far?
How far for those girls?
Tell me your life now.
Call me.
He think his life matters as.
Oh, shut up.
Hey, Oga.
Talk now. How far?
Hey, my friend.
I do. See, guys, see, no, they use me play. Are they serious on this thing?
So are you serious about that? Are you serious about it? Like, I think we're joking, no?
So you think you're joking?
Which kind of which kind of talk with that one? I think as in, guy, if you see the dream I get day before yesterday, guy.
Okay.
And this guy carried the
guy,
are you reading Bible or what? Like,
guy, wait, now I talk. If you see that garden of Eden.
Oh wow, you can be pastor.
If you see the kind place where we dey, if you follow me dream the kind dream why I dream. Guy, wait. If you see as me and the girl on the keys,
I think you come like
press, they do everything. As I want enter, and this idiot, this my friend, come wake me up.
Who is that idiot?
I mean you now. That time when you wake me up, I tell you say why you wake me up.
So that time I was idiot.
No verse. See that guy.
You have a dream.
Wait.
Like, hey,
you see how far you are going. You will be getting mad very soon because of a girl. You are having a dream. The way you are touching, kissing, and you want to enter, and then I wake you up and I call you idiot. You are now going to mad.
And you know, since when we say I will come from, you don't become my enemy of progress.
Anything
I do for my dream, you go wake me up anytime I want to do.
The same thing you always do.
Guys, wait, make I finish. Akwaboa, are they serious on this now?
Yes, Akwaboa.
My brother.
What's up now?
This one is too hot to like to.
Guy, be serious.
The pepper is too much.
Jack, we'll make you talk.
On a more serious note, I think you guys are joking. Bye.
Yeah, bro, I don't play with this. I don't play with this.
You my brother, so
Akwaboa, please just.
Fine. I'll talk to my sister. Talk to your sister. Talk to them for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just say today now, wait till you go. Just tell me, say, guy, I don't talk to my sister. My sister say, may I go this side, go meet them, then go accept me. Now the thing you have to say, you go tell me for today as a good friend where you be. Because they tell me say you go see go talk to them again. As in that means you never talk to them.
Guy, you calm down.
Like the first one, no. I think like you guys are joking, so I don't even think
we are just doing the thing, so
that's why. So I know now you guys are serious. So
we are serious.
I'll do it.
Why are you rushing? I let a new crowd to cancel some of you.
Guy, shut up now, make I talk. No, be this person.
You be shut up. You always rush. Why? What is wrong with you?
I don't know why I met you as a friend.
Now who's your friend? I don't know the reason why. I carry you.
You go shut up now. You no go follow me come out.
You don't go follow me to come out anywhere again.
So you just serious. And this time around you just serious, and they serious, so you go talk to them.
Are you guys that?
Jackie, let's
I'll talk to them.
Let's talk about business. Let's talk about business and forget the girls. That one will bring us money. But we research now.
Oh God, such a stressful journey. So please, how much is it?
How much is it? Say money can't give me sick.
Yeah, I know that. That is what I'm saying. Can't buy the money. So in all, how much are we owed you?
Yeah, going in our country, I will do has a bro for me.
Nah, that was my sister.
Mama 300 cedis.
3 what?
300 cedis.
No, are you trying to tell us because I'm speaking English? The Obeki can't kiss you. Try me.
The purchase or that boat fell phone.
Okay, you know what? I think okay. Please do you accept credit card?
Accept credit card. Thank you. Credit card. I will say Bushim. I have now baby some credit card. Machine ben am debate.
It's okay. Do you have money on you?
That's what I'm checking. And I don't think so.
Do you take Momo?
Yeah, I do.
I think I've forgotten my PIN. So
you know, me bacho, you be call inside, you right side now.
Oh please, just have patience, a little patience. We're gonna pay you, okay? So please, we are coming, okay?
Jack, me ba. Now, yes, be am fa o mo Jack, o ma so mo pese o mo twa me divi. O me de ma be si aba 2 hours no mo mada. Ba me ba gina so me ba. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. The party my farm Miami. Some more color near fair kakra. Ba KUMAWOOD ba ko yetati. Kabibia. Me boat driver. Na o ma farm the machine the whole day. So more physical but my gina how almost be 2 hours obi ama. My father will pay the whole day. The whole day, I'm the machine. My wura have the sport ha.
Yanko Kilavi, Yanko Banas, every more about my big hand, my almost be 2 hours in me.
O ma forward work with tree. O ma me scan on my side.
I'm a big in a house here, and so more.
What fashion? Stop. Scan yes.
Trend cities. About almost Jimmy Sika be crash and the ton, Sunny idea.
Almost I Jimmy Sika started to turn some. But I say, I say,
I cover my mammy 400.
400.
Okay, but Maya no bit me also offers on no more to a muffle. Because our life now more, you know, Emwa. To a muffle. If I will be Sikabi do one, will be with you and can. Would you out here, can not go to a medicine?
No fashion, no more. Said the music hand, move free, I'm in a buy.
I know the hard in about you, so we know Mocasa. Go be a man, a mania, but Traman, blue, I win out with Teresa.
Who buy a mania, but Traman. And I'm this kind of mount. Who buy a man, Cassa, said I'm a G2 man, young to Missicama, whatever has no conyono between me for why. And yes, can a man, the man in here, but channel, Mamma channel. What you have here? What's the next time? Because be a next time, now, your papa. But we to me, if you uncle, and your papa, mamma, no more. You refuse to do what fast for to a muffle. No one of it.
Now so friends no friends. They want to be also viewers. No so much beauty.
Yeah, I will feel so be a margin down.
Where?
I'm free in New York.
The New York and UK.
Let me be a margin down.
New York and UK. They can't say we there. Does that mean we didn't come from work? Not me, oh my friend. Yeah, I was a shaman, I shouldn't tell me. The friends listen to that or move to a share of moves the girls knew air and tie his eyes. So, I want to share with some person near me, or Mocasam home. I say, when is the girls in our so? Oh, that's not our wedding. Oh, boy, with that fine so.
Why?
What is that? Mama knows. As a water me.
Yes, about me, Tian.
I was here, my as a water me.
Tell them you're sorry. Oh, friends, dear. Oh, when I'm grown up as Sabina.
I don't know, Casa, we memo. And almost I change to how is in your Macasa. I want to know the way and your man.
I said, the idea of me and you.
Can't almost say a minute or minute your like almost feel the girls, so try to talk.
Yes,
oh, my man, Casa.
Me want Casa and some no more mesh. Only I see my friends on more penny, maybe say, Brava. Me got them in himself won't put out pay, what you say. Now, women, I want no be a mayor call and make your corners.
The view. Me, the young, I'll be my I don't know more than the only. No, so Bobam to say at Zunian.
But won't be about woman can't me request to be our young man. But Moba, or moon was almost sister, get to an enemy. Or Moba, one so do a moon, do not have a seer. Or Moba, my son, where the next one has ever come in. And yet, you may mean to Papa. Me no more for our
baby, some. Now, I don't know where it is on that. Now, oh, no girls in the Casawan, so be friends and some of you on the other day. Your mom on the idea would die.
No, Brammy, me between now.
Oh, man, you two, my friends on you too. No, and 5.
Me between now. Me mean to me. Me mean, what they are coming in the way I miss me. My friends now can't garden or to go a cafe. Now, say, you will know your friends in their bra. Make us meet me and Papa. Printing required to own you. Me, young Cassa.
I don't know.
And I'm making a show. Me, who cry my beside you. You know, I made myself my dad just say, man, no. Name and 9 name and son. Ah, Nina, who blah. Papa, it's in the corner.
You go. I don't know.
I'll be a friend.
One moment.
I'm a friend, you know, so about.
No, they man over.
About.
And I'll number. Hey, one yet.
Bah, Papa, Mr. Minion. It is somebody to me, a mom.
We grew up dancing in the golden sand, laughed through nights holding hands. 1,000 stars lit up the sky. But now 2 hearts caught in a tie. Back from the horizon, homeward bound. Saw his smile, my heart unwound. Charmed like fire, eyes of the sea. He turned and whispered dreams to me. Oh, the ultimate love, it cuts like glass. 2 souls stitched